Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by protecting yourself and the work area. Gloves, respirator, and ventilation matter because resin, dust, and fumes can irritate. Once ready, weigh the resin, powder, and liquid hardener to the manufacturer ratio, often 100 to 2 by weight. Accuracy matters for cure. Mix in a clean cup with a low-speed stirrer, scraping the sides. Mix slowly for 1 to 2 minutes to incorporate powder evenly and minimize trapped air. Make sure to proceed without rushing to keep consistent. Once your mixture is homogeneous, decide on pigments. Add small amounts and mix thoroughly because excess dye alters curing. If you have a vacuum chamber, degas briefly. Otherwise, let the mix sit for 5 to 10 minutes so microbubbles rise to the top. Then pour slowly into the mold from a low height in a thin stream. This reduces new bubbles. After pouring, pass a toothpick or heat gun quickly over the surface to pop remaining bubbles, and then cover to prevent dust contamination. You must allow the piece to cure at the recommended temperature. Consistent warmth speeds the chemical reaction and prevents tackiness. Once cured, demold carefully and follow a sanding progression, starting around 400 grit and moving to 2000 grit, then polish for clarity. If the surface is still tacky, it usually means under cure or an incorrect mix ratio. Apply gentle heat in a controlled oven or recoat with a fresh, properly mixed layer after cleaning. This remedial step helps complete polymerization and restores finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.